go Kuna in the building. Yo. Yo, man. I go to California. Yo. I buy 2 bags. Yo. See my coach here. 2 million.
Wait for back to best. Now this one wait for back to best.
Oh, bro, I buy her now.
Listen. You come here, me I can shoot video. Make you for
bro, she be now. Listen now. Blue. I got stop the thing where for blue.
Bro, if you don't blow, I for not there here with this phone. The video you. You never blow.
I don't blow now.
Me one blow.
We
know everything.
Okay, we know. Okay, no verse.
Start again.
Okay.
You never buy verse.
Okay.
You don't get anything.
Okay.
You never blow. I beg.
No problem. Bro, I never buy verse.
Action.
Yo. Yeah. Odogo Kunai. I buy private jets. Yo. I have.
I tell you.
Yo.
Wait, cut. Where you for buy private jet?
For that side now.
Bro, where you for buy private jet?
For that side.
The property go make people happy. You never get anything. You never blow. You not get anything.
Bro, waiting you package now.
Okay, waiting you wear now. Okay. Now second-hand cloth.
Bro, only me and you know that one now.
We know.
But
now we dey try to blow. Me never blow.
Bros, I don't understand this.
Me never blow.
I don't blow.
Me for not there.
I don't blow.
You never blow.
I don't blow.
Bro, you never blow.
Bros, I say you know sabi this your work.
You no fit tell me say I no sabi this man.
Because I go find that person.
I don dey do this work for the past 100 years. You no fit tell me say I no sabi my work. Wetin dey tell me? Na the work when I tell the feed.
Bros, you don do this work for how many years?
For the past 100 years, I don dey do this work.
How old you gonna be now?
I be 25 years. Wetin happen?
Hey, bros, na for your mama belle you don dey do this work.
Now you know that one. Now you know that one.
I don't understand you. I don't understand you. I don't understand you. I don't understand you.
Now you know.
No worry.
I
don't understand
you.
No balance for you.
You go pay me.
Person wey no sabi work.
You go pay me.
Oh bros, don't dey hold my shirt.
You go pay me.
You go
pay me.
No work.
You go pay me. You go pay me.
No good work. No balance.
You go pay me.
Bros.
If artist not producer, na the producer problem. You go pay me.
No work. No balance.
You go pay me.